Kusum, and the word is gift.
Whenever I listen a gift, I only remember one thing, that is Diwali ko son papdi ka dabba.
Well said, well said, well said, well said. Yes.
You give gift and you get that gift return itself.
That is so
He always come back to you. Yes, that always come back.
Oh, love very much. Oh, good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, everyone, ladies and gentlemen.
Good evening. Good evening.
Good evening, ma'am.
So, how are you all?
Fine.
They're doing great.
You have think of
Why,
her.
Himanshu? Why you feel?
Flower.
Yes. Himanshu, you
Yes,
are
ma'am.
so energetic. Why you have that long face? Something is going in your head, and something.
No, ma'am. I just come back from gym, so currently I'm exhausted, so that's why.
Okay, exhausted. Oh, fitness freak, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So before we dwell into, I have multiple activities in my Pandora box. Right? So before we dwell into, let's just do the honor of introduction one by one, but yes, short and crisp. My name is RVS, connecting you from Delhi.
My name is Miss
My
Neha Patodia.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah.
My name is
Patodia.
I'm connecting from Dehradun.
Okay. Yes, Neha. Yes, Neha.
I'm Neha Patodia, connecting you from Rajasthan. Thank you.
Kusum.
Hello everyone, my name is Kusum Rawat and I'm from Noida.
Pratna.
Hello everyone. My name is Prarthana from Madhya Pradesh.
And Himanshu.
Good evening, everyone. My name is Manshu, and I'm from Delhi.
Okay, first of all, thank you so much to join me here. And you all are celebrities. For me, you all are celebrities. Yes. Wonderful ladies, and yes,
Thank you.
and one
Thank you.
gentleman person we have, Himanshu. And you are not just a voice here, not just a voice here for me. You all are an inspiration to all, not to me as well.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, so
Seriously, thanks.
yes, so let's just start the warm up activities, and let me open my Pandora box and let the cat out of the bag. So I have, first activity. I have a lot of chits, as you can see that, right? And I'm going to toss it in the air. Let's see what happened next. Okay, give me a moment.
Yes, sure.
Oh my goodness. The first name is Himanshu, and the topic is
Yes.
English. So you have to speak on that topic, one line or two line. That's it. English is your topic.
Okay. So, like, whatever comes in my mind, I can speak in English.
Yes.
So, I really love this language. I feel that when I was in my seventh grade, one of my teacher told me that like English is a brahmastra in
Brahmastra.
future for yourself. Yes, it is a
Great.
like a weapon that will help you. So uh, from that time, like I got very fascinated towards English, and from then onwards, I try to learn. I try to watch, and even I fond of English movies. So I started watching English movies and listening to English songs, and gradually I learned this language, and I still am learning this language. So this is all
Well
about
said.
English.
Well said. English is actually a weapon, Brahmastra. Let me just toss it again. And who is going to next performer? And Pratna. And the topic is happy or happiness.
Good evening, ma'am.
Hello. Yes, one more learner has joined us. Neha from Punjab. Yes, Pratna.
Okay. Yes. So happiness totally about satisfaction, that what you satisfy. If you feel that whatever you have. So if you feel happy that I have everything, that is okay. Otherwise, if you have enough money, people, they do not satisfy. They, yet they just seek here and there happiness. Yeah, seeing everybody, and they say, oh, they are very happy, I am lacking something, this, that. So it is only what I observed, that happiness we have within, and just whatever we have, just feel satisfied. I'm very lucky, and I am the word best. And but at least we have hand, and our body parts fit. It means we are very good. If you go and like, if you do not feel happy, and you just think that I don't have this and that, go hospital, and then you see the people there, that you just feel, oh God, I'm blessed with everything.
Yes, yes,
So
yes.
yes.
Well said. Well said. One point I would like to add on here. Happiness is your choice, is not a result, right? So
Mhm.
just find out
Right.
your happiness. That's it. Okay, Bandita has joined us. Hi, Bandita. How are you from Assam? Oh
Okay.
my God. Bandita. Oh God.
Am I audible now?
Yes, you are audible.
What?
So Bandita, this is a chat, and your name is written on this chat, and the topic is peace. You have to speak at least one or two line, not more than them. Kindly keep it crisp, clear, so that everybody get the chance fair and square, right? So your topic is peace.
Okay.
Peace. What do you have
Peace.
to say?
So, peace is that we all the people, we just uh, we deserve the peace.
Okay.
It can be mental. Yeah, our mental peace is very mandatory
Yes.
nowadays. So we always maintain our peace, and we should be in a peaceful mind always.
Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very nice. Okay. So let me just toss it again. And here comes another name, and the name is Neelu, and Neelu is not here. So let's just keep it aside. Let me just toss it again one more time for you, all of you. And the Parchi and the chit is belong to Neha from Jaipur, and the topic is education. I think it belongs to you, right? If I'm not wrong.
Okay. Topic is education, right?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So I think education comes from your mind, what
Uh-huh.
you actually think that is education, right? It is not for like going into school and taking the education. I don't think this is education, right? We are educated people. We should respect others in the terms of everyone, right? We should respect everyone if we are going to school or not. Education not only comes from school, colleges, right?
Yes, 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 yes. Of course, of course. How you behave, how you respect, how you carry yourself, that is also the another part of education. Right? Okay, let me just toss it again one more time here. And here comes the name Kusum. And your topic is enemy.
Anyway,
Yes.
Yeah, this is the very, I mean, this is a great topic, I think.
Oh God.
Everyone, seriously, everyone, afraid or scared of enemy, but, they are a great teacher. They
Mhm.
make you more conscious.
Yes.
Whenever the enemy is in front of you, you can more conscious whatever you are doing. So for me, they are very good teacher, and I'm able to improve myself whenever I am in front of, whenever I see there's enemy in front of me.
Very nice.
So
wow,
for me,
great,
they are good teacher.
Very nice.
great.
Very nice. You take it in a positive way.
Yeah.
Yes, yes. Okay, let me just toss it one more time here. And here is Neha from Punjab and वो तो है नहीं. So I have only one parchi left, and that is Poonam. And the topic for Poonam is ambitions. Please unmute yourself. Yes.
Yourself.
Ambitious is I think everyone life should be some type of ambitious, because
Yes.
it's a type of motivation towards
Uh-huh.
the life.
Hmm.
And if we miss it, so we are not able to achieve our goal. So I think everyone should be ambitious towards the life.
Yeah, ambition is very important. You know, if you have ambition, I feel that you will be able to stay connected with this world. Otherwise, this world will kick you out from this journey or this from world. So be an
Right.
ambitious person in your life. You should have dream, passion to follow it, and keep learning each and every, right? So another
Right.
very well, yeah, बहुत अच्छा acting, it was really a very wonderful task, and you all of you did very well, very well. And now the another activity I have in my Pandora box is I'll give you one word, one English word, and you have to describe it in English, but in a funny way. Okay? Let me see. Let me see. You have to use, your creative, innovative, receptive idea to describe that particular word. It should be funny. There is only one condition, that it should be funny, right?
Try to.
Okay. So my first word is goes to Himanshu, and that is fruit. Fruit.
मुझे
Quickly.
I really like फल a lot.
Oh, wow. I really like it, yeah. Okay. So another word is just for Neha.
Okay. Just
Just.
मैं just अभी आई हूँ सेशन को अटेंड करने.
Very nice. In that way, you have to reply. Okay. So my another word is morning walk for Pratna. Quickly, be quick.
मुझे मॉर्निंग वॉक बहुत पसंद था जब मैं छोटी बच्ची थी.
Okay. Okay, you can make it a little bit in a funnier way. Give a kind of, give a tadka of funny.
मॉर्निंग वॉक बुड्ढों के लिए होता है.
Oh God. Oh God.
Right,
जो
right.
भी होता है.
Okay, भाई please कोई भी offend मत होना, please don't be so offended about it. It's just a game only, right? And morning walk is useful to everyone. Even I go for the morning walk every time, every day.
I just gave funny answer.
Yes. It's just a fun only. We are here to do some fun, right? So another word goes to Kusum, and the word is gift.
Whenever I listen a gift, I only remember one thing, that is Diwali ko son papdi ka dabba. Usually
Well said. Yes.
you give gift and you get that gift return itself.
That is so
He always come back to you. Yes,
right.
that always come back.
Oh,
Love very much.
okay, very nice. Another word goes to Poonam, and that is complete.
कंप्लीट. हाँ, आपने पूरा काम कंप्लीट कर लिया है.
Yeah, बिल्कुल. I completed my
Anyway.
work, undoubtedly. Okay, so another word goes to Bandita, and the word is sorry.
Sorry. I always want to say sorry, but I fail.
Okay, can you make it a little bit in a funny way?
I try to say sorry, but at that time I get more angry. I become more angry.
Okay, well said. Okay, another word I have, catch. Who want to try?
What is the word?
Catch.
Catch.
Who
I
wants-
want to catch it.
Okay, then I'm going to throw it. Catch it. I'm going to throw it. This is my mouse, and I'm
That's
throwing
why
it.
I
Catch it.
told you I want to. मैं पकड़ना चाहती हूँ भाई ये word. मैंने पकड़ लिया.
Okay, great. Wow, amazing activity. And so let's just. I have another. I don't have now. I'm packed. I have another topic to discuss, and very resonate. You all can resonate with that topic. So let's just start the piping hot conversation here. My topic is simple word or fancy word. We all know that this language is globally accepted, right? Without this language, we can't move. But the problem is sometimes we are confused what to do. Sometimes we think like that we should go with the simple word or should we go with the fancy word. So I want all of you I want 2 cents on that. What is your perspective? Simple word or fancy word? Who would like to start? Himanshu, yes?
Okay.
May I?
Yes,
I
please.
think
Yes.
it depends on person to person. Like some person likes really like to speak in fancy word. Even one of my friends, like he doesn't know how to speak proper English, but he always try to speak in fancy word, like
Oh,
Gen Z slang. Like there are so
Gen
many
Z.
slangs. He used to speak in slang words.
Mhm.
But on the other hand, uh, one of my friends, like he is very good in English, but he always try to speak in a very simple and
Mhm.
very understanding level of English. So I think it's all depend on person to person.
Okay. Yes. Who want to try?
Me.
Yes, Kusum.
For like Himanshu said, it's also depend on person to person and
Mhm.
like to whom you want to convey your message. If you are
Yes.
a public speaker, if you are a writer, they always try to use simple word because they
Mhm.
want more people to understand what they are trying to
Mhm.
say with their whatever they are writing or whatever they're saying in public speaking.
Mhm.
But mostly fancy word used there when you are talking. Mostly they are used in casual conversation. You
Mhm.
cannot use fancy or like idiom or phrases in meetings in official. You cannot use every time. They
Yes.
have some limit, right? So
Yes.
that time you have to be very conscious, like you what you are using. If
Mhm.
you are habitual of using more phrases or idiom, you cannot use that thing in meeting.
Mhm.
So they both have their importance, but we should know where we are using them.
Okay. Yes.
Mhm.
Very well said that. We should know that where we are using the most important thing, that you are not speaking for yourselves, for yourself. You're speaking for
Right,
other people to make them understand. So just keep that
right,
point in your brain, on in your head. Yes. Anyone?
right.
Right.
Ma'am,
Yes, me.
Yes.
simple.
Yes, Vandita.
Okay, you can continue. Yeah, ma'am. According to me, I think we should always try to, convey our message. And if the people, if the person, if the listener, he is not able to understand your words, then how can you convey your message properly?
Yes.
So at that, in that case, we should not use the fancy words, because fancy words can, the words are so complex sometimes, and we need to ponder for some time, and
Mhm.
it requires more thoughtful.
Mhm.
So that's why we need to make it simply simple, so that we always go with the simple words.
Okay. Yes.
Mhm.
Very well said. Yes, Pratna, you want to say something?
Yes, yes. I agree with everybody that they have, taken my words. Like whom you are going to talk, that
Mhm.
person are getting your word or not. So just according, choose your words according your partner that whom you are talking. So that is the plus point. And one thing I want to add, that we should always be learn. I can say do not stop learning new words, new vocabulary, idiom, phrases, because see, if you are going to read something, novel, anything, so
Mhm.
just use that, can you understand if you know. So start, learn every day, but choose your words according to your partner, according to your, whom you're
Audience.
talking.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Very
So
nice.
yeah.
Yes. Poonam.
Yes, I do agree with everyone. And it's come to, if I talk about myself, so I love using simple English.
Hmm.
I am not fond of difficult words or fancy words, because
Mhm.
now I'm learning to practice. So I want to be, I want to convey my message. So
Yes.
this is good for me. I want to be first fluency. So that manner I want to, speak, and I would like to add, one line. Actually, I
Mhm.
watched one of podcast. It's not about podcast. I think Shashi Tharoor and Sudha Murthy, ma'am.
Okay.
And nowadays I'm reading through Sudha Murthy ma'am books. So Shashi Tharoor asked, ma'am, why are you against of dictionary?
Mhm.
Okay, so she told, I'm not against of dictionary. I'm using simple words, and I'm very, I'm not like you. You are a master on English. I'm not. I'm very, ordinary person, and
Mhm.
I'm not using fancy words because of, because because who are reading my book, they can resonate with me,
Mhm.
because all are theoretical. and I'm using simple words for them because they are able to understand. No need, because they don't have time. They
Mhm.
can read book, they can watch my audio or video every
Mhm.
during while the house chores. Okay,
Okay.
so they can listen and they can understand. No need to dictionary. So in
Okay.
that way, I always consider to simple language.
Very well said. Yes. And Neha?
Yes, in my opinion, sentence should be comprehended by others only, right?
Yes.
So I will choose only simple language, right? The
Mhm.
whom you are going to speak with, right? You are going to speak with, you are going to listen to the person should be comprehended by you. So choose only precise language, simple language, so that you can be understood by others very easily, right?
Yes.
Because if you talk to native speakers, they only use simple English, right? They don't go for fancy words, right? But in India, it is on trend by using fancy vocabs and idioms and phrases, right? But I think it is not that case for me. I don't like these things, right? Because I use this language, sentence structure should be formed in a better way and it is comprehended by others. That is only I want to say.
Okay. Yes. Very well said. I would like to take a reference of that podcast, which narrated by Poonam right now. I was that podcast, and there Sudha Murthy said that in India, 80% people use colloquial language, simple language. 80% people use colloquial language, and 20% people are use different, advanced one. So the majority,
The ones
majority goes to yes, majority goes to the 80% people, right?
Right.
So it's better to go with the simple English. And what I believe that, if you, but, we can't neglect, we can't deny by saying that we are advanced to chahiye chahiye, right? If you want to upgrade yourself, then you need to upskill yourself. That's very important. This is a demand of today's era, right? So let me just give you the gist, about the vocabulary. What I do actually in my daily life to learn the vocabulary, I divide my vocabulary into three parts. One is the simpler one, and between wala medium one, and the third one is advanced one, right? Then I go for the research and development work in the sense which one is a catchy one, which word I can use easily, which word is understandable to others as well. So I go for the medium one, not good. Suppose let me just give you the example here. Beautiful. Beautiful is a simple word, and another word is gorgeous, and the third word is stunning. Now depend on you
Right.
which word you want to choose. Which word, I mean, is which word easily establish in your brain. Which word you can easily, come on the tip of your tongue. So use the word
Yes.
wise, right? But it is we can't neglect by saying yes कि that नहीं हमें simple use करना है. It is yes, it's okay. Go for the simpler words, not because simple words bring more clarity than the fancy word. That's what I believe. But if you want to grow, you are working in the corporates, you are going outside, you're walking the street, walking in the restaurant, walking everywhere, in each every corner of a world, you need to go with a little bit advanced. You need to take a little bit, the step ahead towards your language. That's very important,
Mhm.
right?
Yes.
Okay. So one more
Right.
question I have. One more question I have. Anybody want to ask? No, I just want to give you this chance to all of you. If you have any question, you can bring on the table.
Like,
Mm,
may
Yes,
I?
yes, please.
Like, may I ask you, everyone, that how do you learn vocabulary to remember it for a long time? Do
Mhm.
you have any tips? Like, you can share it.
Yes, anybody?
okay. I should share my way. I always choose a simple topic. I would pick a topic which we use in daily conversation, like help, right? So it is very simple word. We pick help. So we can use instead of help, assist, right? Very easily. So
Hmm.
we always use a simple daily use words, and then we have to learn synonyms out of it, right?
Yes.
Synonyms, right? Like happy, help, right? So these are the simple words, and we have to learn synonyms out of it, We have to set a goal. Today, I'm going to learn happy, right? So what are the synonyms of happy, right? Happy means delighted. Happy means elated. Happy
Yes.
means ecstatic.
Aesthetic,
Happy
yes.
means over, right? Right? These are my techniques, right? I am happy today. I am ecstatic today. I am elated today. तो आज मैंने सीखा सिर्फ happy. तो सारे word भी याद हो गए. हो गया.
Okay. So anybody want to describe their own idea to learn vocabulary?
I think the best way to learn any vocabs is the use the more whatever I mean in daily language. I mean whatever you are saying on daily basis, try to use that word most of the time. Because what happened whenever we encounter, find some new words, we return that word and we make few sentence out of that word, and that we forgot that. What we miss is we do not use that on regular habit. And I'm not saying that, make a list of 5 to 10 vocabs on daily basis, or choose only 2 words, but try to use both the word in the entire day. And that's how you can learn that particular word.
Yes, make them active. It's very important. Make them active in your brain.
Right.
If you are not making them active, it will vanish off from your brain. That's very important. In my way to learn the vocabulary is very simple. If I find any vocabulary, I not just jot it down, take the word with sentence for my ready reference and use that particular word in my real life situation. For example, today I learned word immaculate. Immaculate का मतलब होता है means बहुत ज्यादा साफ सुथरा, बहुत ज्यादा साफ सुथरा. तो अब आप उसको अपनी रियल लाइफ से कैसे इमेजिन करोगे? So frame the sentences using that particular word in your real life situation. Put yourself in imaginary situation, real life situation to use that word. For example, yes.
Please continue. No,
For
please
example,
continue.
yes. For example, today I went to a restaurant and it was immaculate. I went to my village and it was immaculate. I went to my mother home and it was immaculate. Try to use that word, with your situation, with your family members, relatives. It's a very easy way to sync that word in your brain. That's my idea. That's how I learn vocabularies, idioms, because I'm a fond of, to be very honest, I'm a fond of that idioms and phrases. And how am I learning this idioms? क्योंकि मैं हिंदी में बहुत यूज करती हूँ. That's my childhood habit. हिंदी में भी अरे चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका, तुमने तो अपने पैर पे खुद ही मार ली, मेरी बिल्ली मुझे घुमा. ये अभी से यूज नहीं करी. ये सारी idioms, ये सारे मुहावरे I'm using since my childhood. When I started to learn this language, English language, and suppose I'm talking to you in English, right? And I wanted to use that idiom, चोर की दाढ़ी में तिनका. My brain immediately give me the, the vibration. अरे तुम्हें तो ये हिंदी में आता है, सिर्फ इंग्लिश में कैसे करोगी? So मैंने वो इंग्लिश में फिर सोचा कि क्या है, and I set it in my brain in place of Hindi one. So whenever I'm using that word, the pot calling the kettle black, right? Immediately, if I'm using any sentence and I'm able to use that word, तो मेरा brain मुझे वो अपने आप दे देता है, because I'm habitual. I have created that tendency for myself by using Hindi language. First I create the habit to use that particular idiom in Hindi. When my brain, compelled to use it, that word, जब तक मेरे brain ने, until unless my brain said that, Rekha, please bring that idiom in English, तब मैंने search किया. So what I mean to say is you need to sink your teeth into. अब मैंने यहाँ पर एक और idiom use कर दिया. You need to sink your teeth into. मतलब you need to immerse yourself. मेरे brain ने मुझे कहा कि immediately ये use करो. आपको उसके अंदर घुसना पड़ेगा. कैसे? जैसे मैंने बताया, आपको हैबिट क्रिएट करनी पड़ेगी. You have to create the habit for it. You have to create the tendency for yourself. And don't be slave of your brain. Make your brain slave for yourself.
That is very important.
Yes. So that's why I just said that sink your teeth into it. If you want to learn something in your life, right? Give your eye and teeth. Give your eye and teeth. On top of that, by talking, saying, and a bag of excuses, you will not able to get that top-notch position. keep your money, put your money where your mouth is. Another idiom I'm using here. तो मैं इतना frequently use कर सकती हूँ. तो इतना frequently मैं इसलिए use कर सकती हूँ because my brain is habitual of that. So that's what I'm expecting you कि अपनी brain को आप slave मतलब आप उसका slave मत बनिए. अपनी brain को अपना slave बनाइए.
I was just saying that we do not have that much of environment in around us where we can use these kind of a word. That is the
Same
problem
here.
happen with
Same
us.
here. Same here, my dear. Same here, my dear. I did my schooling from vernacular medium. Vernacular medium.
Okay.
Yes. But you know,
We
मैं
have to
नहीं बोल
create space for
I
us.
know MBS,
What I
MBS, MBS, and the milieu play a very significant role here. But on top of you know what I believe, your passion, that fire. If you want to get something in your life, एक हिंदी में कहावत है, मैं हिंदी में पहले बोलूंगी उसे, कि पूरी कायनात आपको मदद करती है उसे लेने के लिए. Entire universe help you to get that desire, what you set for yourself in your life. तो उस कायनात को मजबूर कर दो ना.
Manifest.
Yes, you can say another way, manifestation, light a fire inside.
Manifestation is incomplete without action.
Yes, manifestation is something, you know, manifestation means you are creating the thoughts which you want in your life.
Right.
Actually, right?
Yes.
That is manifestation. Manifestation भी बहुत तरीके की होती है, multiple different kind of a manifestation. Right? So on that positive note, we discussed a lot, and again, we ate and left no crumbs here. Scintillating, gobsmacking conversation with all of you, and I want to sing a beautiful song. सबके लिए गाना चाहती हूँ.
Yeah, we
Sure.
are eager to listen that.
Yes. Okay, so
Mhm.
Sherry lady going through emotion. Now it's like the first time. Listen to your heart. Listen to your heart. तो मैं यही कहना चाहती हूँ, just listen to your heart.
Sure.